Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure myChevrolet for EV charging reminders and status, full guide step by step clearly. Open the myChevrolet app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your Chevrolet credentials. Once logged in, locate the main menu on the home screen. Tap on the EV or electric vehicle section. Select charging from the list of options presented. Look for the charging reminders feature. Tap to access the charging reminders settings. Enable the charging reminders if they are not already activated. Choose the frequency for your reminders based on your preferences. You can set reminders for specific times of day. Now, navigate back to the main EV screen. To check your vehicle's charge status, select Charging Status. Here, you will see your vehicle's current battery level. The app will display the estimated time for a full charge. If needed, adjust your charging schedule by selecting Charge Scheduling. Set your desired start time and charging duration. Confirm your settings to save them. Return to the home screen to view all your configurations. Make sure your notifications are enabled in your device settings for updates. You're all set to receive reminders about your EV charging and monitor your vehicle's status efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.